Hello! Today I will show you the newest collections by Mixed Media Craftalog, which have just arrived to me from Poland, from the country of production. And the first one is the Lost in Time. Absolutely beautiful, vintage, but in a romantic and tender way, vintage collection by Karolina Bukowska. Let's see inside. First of all, what I noticed immediately, that the title sheet has changed, the design has changed. It's fresh and beautiful, and the collection itself is again filled with watercolor shades, just like Karolina always does it, and we are all in love with her collections, aren't we? So this is the 30 per 30 pad, 12 per 12 inch, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I already have so many thoughts what I can do with it in my head. This is amazing. Oh, the collection consists of the usual, the big pad, also the 20 per 20 centimeter pad, which is, as always, slightly lighter. The thickness of the paper is not 250 as in the big pad, but it's 190 gram. And also there is small pad as usual, with the thick paper inside also, and it's quite thick also, and this one is also quite thick, so there are many sheets inside of the same design. The repetitive design is, I think it's 4 of each sheets is inside. Also, what they have been doing for the last several collections is repeating in here also, and it's the Lost in Time sets of decorations. They have this junk journal set, which is filled with different extras to cut, which are very suitable for junk journal decorations. I have been using these details in albums and also as additions to the main set. Just look at this door. It's a very good way of making small additions to some bigger projects. And the other thing is this extra set, which is also relatively new addition to all the mixed media papers of the Craftalog brand, and it's a set of die cut of the elements for fussy cutting. Actually, so many flowers, so many, you see, vintage decor elements, and this is just amazing because this set is really thick, and you can make just so many fussy cut elements. You can cut out so many fussy cut elements out of these papers, and you can really use this set of extras for a long time, for many projects for sure. I'll just check out these Gothic cathedrals. Also, what I've got together with this is the chipboard set, color chipboard. It's gorgeous clock set, you see, of different shades. I've also received a couple of sets with the frames, the gray and brown one, which are relevant to this collection. They can be all used together. And is a nice addition is the thing I love a lot. It's actually the rice paper. It's for mixed media projects, for decoupage. Just check out these gorgeous water shades. Together with this parcel I got, I have received some interesting new extras. Let me show you. I've got the decorative tracing paper set, the background ornaments really cute ones. And also the new addition to the Heart Clock family is the transparent printed foil. Let me show you, like this, or maybe even like this. These are the same backgrounds, but they are all printed on foil, and they can be used just anywhere you want, but probably I will use them in albums as additions, and maybe in some planners or something like that. This is gorgeous. Also, I've got several new stencils, just to brag. I love stencils, so these are the designs that have been sent to me. And now let me show you the second collection. The collection is called Silver Heart Warrior. This is some kind of elfish, Irish fairy tale. And the author of this collection is Katarzyna. And let's just peek inside. Again, it consists of a big 12 for 12 centimeter pad of thick paper, and just see inside. This is something that every Tolkien fan will probably love. The elf and some gorgeous mixed media splatter, and the elf again. And I like this sheet a lot. It's beautiful. Okay, and this is also a very beautiful sheet. It's a mixture of winter and spring and autumn and something like that. Really beautiful. Oh, gorgeous background sheet. Really beautiful designs that you can develop by using mixed media materials. This set again comes in the same combination of 20 by 20 and 15 by 15 centimeter pads, and also the journal set and the extras to cut. Let's just take a look inside. These extras to cut are my absolutely new favorite, because I have to repeat myself. Again, there are so many options to choose from. You can fussy cut yourself till you tire. I mean, I've once cut out a half of this set in one night, and my hand ached a lot, but I got as a result a pile of fussy cut elements, and I'm still using them for several months already. So together with these, we also have the rice paper of the relevant designs. I really like these ones. These are one of my favorite colors, actually. And why not mixing them all together? For example, if I show you again this Lost in Time collection and the Silver Heart Warrior collection, if you combine them all together like that, just see, designs are really, well, not similar. They're all different, of course, but they are easily combinable. You can join these sheets and these sheets in one big project, for example, making a big album. Why not? So they can be combined in any way you like, and this is something I really love for mixed media paper, because it gives you so much more options of using your papers and the leftovers of the bigger projects all together, mixed in one big new project. So there is definitely no leftover process, crafting process, because the papers are just so easily to being combined because of the designs and the idea of these watercolor designs. I just cannot stop loving these papers. Thank you, Craft O'Clock. Thank you very much. I'm once again very much inspired, and we'll start crafting right away. I have an album in mind. Just have to decide which paper I will use as my main paper for this album. It's just so difficult because both are gorgeous. Thank you for your attention. Enjoy your Craft O'Clock papers. Find them online and in the stores in your countries. I will put the links to Craft O'Clock under this video. And see you soon. Bye-bye.